Oh, you ready, dude? Are you ready for this? Are you ready? Yeah, why isn't it recording otherwise? So we're running some errands, and this shit is just ridiculous. I don't know why, Maximilian, but I'm already annoyed. Look at him. He's annoyed too. Be like, dude, get us the fuck out of here.
Yo.
You know, dude, I don't know what to tell you. I really don't. I mean, you know what? We're about to go to the liquor store, get us a bottle of wine, a couple beers maybe. I don't really know. I don't know what we're gonna get. Stuff, I guess, right? It's about time to wrap it up, dude. We're gonna stop by one more store, see what they got, and then we're gonna wrap it up. Dude, look at your ear. Are you listening? You listening? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Didn't see it. Unbelievable. You know, went to go looking for a picture for my living room. Didn't find anything. I did not find a damn thing. Look at this dude hanging out the window, right, Maximilian? At least one of us is having a good time. Cause I'm actually a little bit annoyed. I'm not gonna lie.
For me to find that person that I've been looking for many years.